Hello everyone, today I am creating this. Open your favorite browser and search this website. This website link in the description. And search your favorite color scheme. Please download your favorite color scheme with Open Photoshop. Please select background image, and apply a gradient mask. And open gradient property, then choose a skin color scheme, and apply color scheme something like this. Delete this point, and click OK. Open Effects, and choose the color. Please note, select the layer mask, make sure the white color is upper side, then press Ctrl plus backspace. Press B, or select brush. Fill color in the face smoothly. Open Gradient Effects and change gradient color, something like this. Double-click the layer, open the property and change the underlying layer. Select Layer Mask, and fix this color. Open Effects, and choose Solid Color. Please select Red Color. Select Layer Mask, then press Ctrl Backspace, select Brush, and fill color in the lips. Open Effects, and choose Multiply. Double-click the layer, open the property and change the underlying layer. Select Layer Mask, and fix this color. Please adjust the color according to your choice. Please note, copy the color code and press OK. Open Effect Panel, and choose a solid color, paste code, and press OK. Select brush, and fill color in the lips. Open the property and change the underlying layer something like this.